Welcome to your lesson on basic grammar. Understanding the roles of nouns, verbs, and adjectives is a great starting point. These are the building blocks of English sentences. Nouns. Definition. Nouns are words that name people, places, things, or ideas. Examples. People. Teacher Dr. Maria. Places. School Park, London. Things. Book, phone, table. Ideas, happiness, freedom, love. Verbs. Definition. Verbs are action words. They tell us what the subject of a sentence is doing. Examples. Actions. Run, eat, sing. States is, have, seem. These verbs may not show action but tell us about the state of being or having. Adjectives. Definition. Adjectives describe or modify nouns. They give us more information about the noun. Examples. Happy, blue, tall, 5, beautiful. Simple sentences. Let's see how these work together in a sentence. Noun plus verb. Maria runs. Noun plus verb plus adjective. The book is interesting. Tips for remembering. Nouns are the names of things. Verbs are what you do. Adjectives are what you use to describe things. Exercise. Now, let's try an exercise. Can you make a sentence using a noun, a verb, and an adjective? For example, the tall man dances. Great progress. Remember, understanding these basic parts of speech will help you form simple, effective sentences. Keep practicing, and you'll get better every day.